Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, I'm Hamza Rehman, an English instructor for level 4 from the Vision School, Mirpohas. I hope you guys are doing well, and as you know, we have discussed many things in English, like in literature, in language, both. In language we have discussed many topics about grammar. In literature we have discussed many things like poems and proses and multiple things. In those topics we have discussed multiple exercises, multiple activities like summary writing, like essay writing, many things. So today we are going to discuss about character sketch. Today we will know that what is character sketch, how to write character sketch, why do we write character sketch. Okay guys, so let's discuss about first that what is character sketch. First we are going to know that what is character sketch, then we will know that how to write the character sketch. Let's know what is character sketch. What is character sketch? A character sketch is a rough and ready or thumbnail portrayal of an individual, capturing in brief the person's physical characteristics and psychological attributes. Means that you guys have to tell each and everything about the person. If you are writing a character sketch of anyone, so you will have to tell each and everything about that person, like physical characteristics and psychological attributes. This is the thing that what is character sketch. Now we have to discuss about how can we write character sketch. So let's discuss about how to write the character sketch. So here is how to write the character sketch. You want the reader to have strong mental image. It means that first you have to read the lesson, whatever you are reading, or if you are writing a character sketch about anyone, so first you will have to read it again and again about the person. So now let's know about how to write the character sketch. You want the reader to have a strong mental image. Means you're writing a character sketch about someone, so first of all you will have to read about him or her strongly, like you will have to make a strong image in your mind first, that what kind of image, like of the person talks, to know the person's characteristics, ways of doing things, means how does he do anything, what he likes, what he dislikes, means each and everything you have to make you will have to make a strong image in your mind first, then you would be able to write a character sketch. So this is the thing that how to write the character sketch. Now let's talk about our topics, like as I have given you two topics of character sketch in the class. First Trash Girl, and then we were talking about another topic of character sketch, Lazy Bones Jones. So I hope that you guys have understood that how to write the character sketch. Now if you have to write the character sketch of Lazy Bones Jones, so first you will have to read the story carefully, and you will have to make a strong image in your mind of Lazy Bones Jones, means Jason Jones, of the main character of the story, Jason Jones. You will have to make a strong image of Jason Jones, then you will be able to write the character sketch of Jason Jones. I hope you guys have understood how to write the character sketch. If you have any question, any query, so please let me know. Then inshallah we'll meet in the next class. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.